Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to INFINITI of Nashua, we have the 2024 Nissan Z. This one is the Heritage Edition, and it does have the automatic transmission. Now, I know, but you know what? A sports car should have an automatic option. For those people that physically cannot drive a manual, like if they're war veterans and such, or people that just kind of don't want to. They want a Z, don't like driving manual transmissions. Not all of us do. So it's a great option for those people. Featuring, of course, the 3-liter twin-turbo V6 from the Q50 Red Sport, routed through the 9-speed automatic, not the 7-speed in the Red Sport, which that is a very good thing. All right, sport mode and standard. Those are your two drive modes. Put it into manual. Nice paddles behind the wheel. Visibility is pretty decent for the segment. Yeah, let's go for a drive. I've always loved the Heritage Edition. I love the front bumper that's on it. The other thing is, all the other Z's I've driven were either brand new or had like 2,000 miles on them. These mufflers, and I noticed this on Red Sports too, the more miles you put on them, the better they sound. Because they're like a fiber pack muffler, so as you put miles on them, the fibers start to burn off, and they develop a really, really nice tone. So obviously, coming from somebody who's only driven manual Z's up until this point, what do I think of the automatic? I think it's pretty good, especially in terms of upshifts. Downshifts are 50-50 sometimes. That was a good one. That was decent. You can't go into this expecting it to be PDK, but having driven this 9-speed in the QX80, it's a night and day difference. The tuning is miles better for performance driving. So fast. Handling is so impressive. Yeah, I'm just thoroughly impressed with the Z. Every time I drive one, it's awesome. It's so good. I love this style too. The orange just being distinctive, it's really, really cool. One thing that drove me nuts, I noticed it in all the other ones, is the 3 gauges. I love that. I absolutely love that. But I just don't know why they put the gauges they did there. Boost, okay, awesome, I get that. Turbo speed, okay, kind of cool to watch. I somewhat get it, but that doesn't matter for track. And then voltage. What? Yes, you do have all your oil temp and your transmission temp and everything in this Z cluster, but why not put engine oil temp and, I don't know, you know, turbo speed, fine, leave it there, but give me engine oil temp. I don't need voltage. Green light, please. Thank you. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all, airplane. I'll see you all in the next one.